Hi everybody, I'm Bree the Plant Lady checking in with a winter weather advisory. I'm out here doing some prep work to get some of my containers and vegetables covered in anticipation of the cold weather that is arriving sometime this week. Now I'll tell you, every time I look at the weather, it's changed and that's very annoying. But the bottom line is I'm going out of town, so I won't be here to do anything this week. So I might as well just take a few minutes to go ahead and add some frost cloth and my handy tomato cages with burlap just to give some added protection to some of the plants that are particularly tender. Well, what constitutes a tender plant? Well, it's primarily heading vegetables, things like cauliflower, like you see here. Snapdragons can be a bit sensitive, broccoli, cabbage, ornamental kales and cabbages can also, they can basically just melt from the cold weather. Now here in Fuquay-Varina, North Carolina, where I'm located, we are possibly getting into the mid-teens. I saw 16 in the forecast. So I know from experience that just covering these containers with a tomato cage with a burlap sack over it will make all the difference that I need. This is a really easy thing to just have on hand so that when winter weather pops up, you can just easily go around and cover all of your containers, give them that extra warmth that they really need. And of course, you want to make sure that all of your plants are well watered. Now here in Fuquay, we've had 4 inches of rain. I'm not worried at all about anything in the ground, but some of the pots that are right up next to the house don't always get as much rain. So I'm going to go ahead and give them a good drink before I put their covers on. Of course, you might find that your kitties like your winter protection. I think Reginald just wants to be a part of the video. All right, we are back at it, getting the remay put over the cool season vegetables. And remember, remay, also known as frost cloth, it's lightweight, it's inexpensive, and it's the best solution for protecting tender plants with winter temperatures. And I have a link in the description where you can buy it. I got this from Amazon. It really does work well and you use it over and over again. The great thing is, even if you have precipitation, it doesn't get too heavy. So we're just gonna, basically, we might even use this big piece and see if it covers the entire thing. All right, I'm gonna put it on time lapse so you can watch our process. All right, the most important advice we can share, take your hoses off of your hose bibs. Unscrew everything, and actually, because I've lost so many, we're gonna go ahead and take the rows off the end of the hoses too. Just because any little bit of water that's left can freeze, and it can break these plastic things, and I just got these for Christmas. So I'm not ready to have them break already. Okay, everybody, just a little bit of winter weather prep. In conclusion, water everything well. If you're growing in soil cube, that's like an extra step of insulation. Your roots will be, really well insulated there. Cover tender plants. Cover the things like heading vegetables and winter flowering annuals like snapdragons. And use remay. That is the best material. And do not use plastic. And always, always, always remove your hoses from the spigots because it creates a huge mess if you don't. So just take my advice and don't learn the hard way and undo all of your hoses. If you don't do anything else for your garden, make sure your hoses are not attached. All right, everybody, I'm wishing you all the best as we get some real winter weather here in the Southeast. And we look forward to sharing more updates once the weather is improved. All right, thanks for watching.